So what up, YouTube? It's your shit back again with another video. So today we are going to make some Nugglue slime. I don't know if it's gonna be a maybe, win-win or fail. I just saw it. So the ingredients you need. You don't have to use the bag. I just use the bag so I won't make a mess because you don't have to use some messy ingredients. Not lip massage. You're gonna need a bowl, some toilet paper or any paper y'all got at home. Just use toilet paper or what's it called? Toilet paper or napkin. Mixing tool. I just use the color pens because I don't feel like you get some dish soap and of course flour. This is the part you might need a bag for. Okay. First thing you want to add is the flour because that's the one that. Oh my! Hold up. Yeah. Is it okay? Okay. First thing you want to add is the flour, of course. That's the most thing you want to add a little. You don't have to add a lot. It depends how much slime you make. I'm just going to add that much for now. Ooh. That's why it might say. I'm going to put it here. Next. You don't have to mix it. I'm not going to mix it neither. I'm just going to take, rip, put it in. Rip, put it in. Rip, put it in. But I might need, I'm only going to put 2. Rip, put it in. 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 You can, where's my mixing tool? Mix that for a little bit. It's not going to do nothing, but yeah. My hands already get messy. Then you want to add some dish soap. Some dish soap. And you want to stir it very good. I forgot that one thing. Forgot to get one thing. Okay, here it is. You can probably want to stir the dish soap and the flour and the toilet paper all together. It's probably not going to do none but make it look thicker. And then you want to add water. I got a little bit for now because I don't know how much I need. It didn't show the measurements. But yeah, and this is running out of hands. I need more of this bad boy. And I'm gonna add some water in it. Okay. And let's stir it. I didn't want to give this slime color. It sounds just like on the video. Comment some slime ideas, guys, for me to try. If it's not getting, it should like probably look like this. Whatever, it depends whatever color the dish soap is, but you can add some paint or dye or some food dye. But I want to see what color is going to turn out normal. Some is already coming out, but I don't know where. So I'm just going to add some in. I'm getting a little bit messy. Not a lot because I'm not a messy girl. I like to stay fresh and pretty. Y'all know that. And then y'all want to stir it until y'all want to keep adding flour and like until it all comes together. This will probably, I don't know what it might be. Comment down below if it's a win-win, a fail, or comment down below what y'all think. Win-win, a fail, or maybe. And if you do it, I will buy some humongous squishies for the people that was right. Y'all can see if y'all right or not. I will be delivering. Y'all can go to what's it called? AshiraWilson.com. And yeah. Yeah, we'll get some squishy. Know what I'm gonna do? Take the rest of my toilet paper. Yeah! So, oh, I don't know where are the flowers coming out from. I need to keep adding so much flowy. That's the reason I got a bag. What the heck? What the? No, come, you over here. Come out. How is it? Shut up.
Don't try to run. I'm not.
Who that? What's going on? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Whoa. Look at what? What? It's a Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll lollipop. You been talking, now we'll stop.
That's my kid. And I'm class too. We have Tootsie Roll lollipop.
You been talking, now let's shush.
And then another one is macaroni and cheese.
Everybody eat freeze. Mac
Shark bait.
Shark bait. Ooh ha ha. Stop digging.
And then she be like, Big Man, turn that hat on the floor.
We'd be like, ooh. They'd be like, my teacher be like, Lola has the floor. She'd be saying the people name that's like.
She also be like this. She also be like,
Then it's gonna get messy.
and then be like,
Ooh ha ha. And then you're gonna add a little. I might need more flour. So comment what y'all think y'all answers are. It's not finished yet. Cause yeah, it's not finished yet. Cause I need to add more flour. Like the lady said. So it gets thickened. And not. I'm gonna go clean my hands.
oh boy. Macaroni and cheese, everybody free. Why you do? Tootsie Roll lollipop. You didn't talk yet, now let's stop. Yeah. What size? Okay, Pebble.
What?
So Rye changed the password
Yeah.
to Karma Dance Feed.
Yeah.
So Karma has the change the password again, and when she changes it, I will give it to you.
But you can't tell nobody because Rye asked to join, and then she asked for the password. I gave her the password, and then as soon as she logged in, somebody changed the password, and then she
Pebble.
realized that it wasn't her.
I mean Karma. Do not change the password with your name in it.
I know.
Make it like. I mean.
Why does it keep asking me to log into the unique underscore dot? Well, that's what I'm doing, but it keeps like.
You should make the password like at least like Kids World. Something.
No, Sour Patch.
No, I'm gonna do.
Wait, the password or the
I'm
use
You
it.
know.
What?
How did you know?
1, 2, 3.
Can it
Is
be?
this how you spell Juno? Juno.
Juno's nickname is Juju. Ain't that right, Juno?
Is it Boo Boo?
I said Juju.
You said
Doo-doo.
Boo Boo.
No, you said doo-doo. Sorry, Juno. What does he do now?
Look him dead in his eyes and say, I'm sorry, Boo Boo.
Is he biting on his bone?
Yeah.
He's like a little wolf.
I need to keep kneading it until all the flour is blended in.
So it's the last pick of string.
Do y'all have a string party?
What do you have?
No, I didn't.
I don't think it's unique underscore down.
Jenna, come here. Can you have some water in this? Huh?
What?
Have some water in this. No, I can get that water. That's mine right there and add it.
Hold up!
And then, gosh.
How? Oh, yeah.
I don't have her phone number. Hold up, guys. Comment down below. What did y'all think it was gonna be? Yeah.
Yeah.
Peace, y'all. And